stitches and my rubber bands for my braces. Guys, so this has vitamin A in it. It says reduces fine lines on lips, moisturizes and heals, contains vitamin A, and I got the rose hip oil. Be back when it's time to take these off. Okay guys, so I got to do this review out here for today. Today, what I have on the list is, of course, start the day with water, do my hygiene care, which consists of my oral care, face care, sleep affirmations, gym for 1 hour, a Walmart run, clean up. I'm gonna put up the Valentine's Day decorations and also do a fridge restock, and then work on my goals. I'm a journal, and then lastly read for 1 hour, of course. And you guys, I'm actually on my last and final chapter of the book, and then I'm finished with the book. The name of the book is Think and Grow Rich. So yes, I would say definitely some life-changing information in that book. So I would definitely recommend for anyone, you know, that it's a good book to read. So altogether, I got 11 things on my list for today. I actually was in the middle of making graphic. All I have left to do are the eggs, and then once I'm done with graphics, I'm gonna leave that for the gym. Yeah, I'm just gonna take these off right now. It's definitely been 15 minutes. When I take these off, they do leave moisture, and so I just massage the area gently. Yeah, I definitely gotta clean up today. I just cut it up. I'm going to a few pieces of this. So it's gonna take me long. Guys, I'm not used to my spinach lasting this long, so I'm just, oh no. These containers are definitely useful. That's the reason I got them, so that my fresh fruits and veggies can stay fresh longer, and they're definitely doing what they're supposed to do. Make sure I make cleaning up a priority list. Y'all see my spinach on my eggs, my waffles, turkey bacon, and some strawberries. And I got my stuff. Y'all, I didn't know I was hungry. That's the killing part. Y'all, I had to take my rubber meals out while I eat, but I'm gonna put them back in there. Cause it's hard to eat those. When I come back from the gym, it's a must if I clean up. Everything that I just have to use to cook with, I'm gonna have to wash it out because it was dirty. Oh yeah, definitely gonna clean up because it's messing up. Definitely. Then I'm gonna take my B12 like right when I'm leaving out, and it basically just gives you energy, guys, just so that you're not feeling like tired. I don't take it every day, but I do take it sometimes. Man's back here. Okay, guys, so I finally left out. I am now going to be headed towards the gym, finally. Time is now 12:26, guys. I mean, I was aiming for 12. Now, you know, your girl gonna do her to-do list, and that's period. Like, you know, I like, in order to have a great day, you have to plan your day. And so I like planning my day, you guys. I literally set time aside to really plan and organize how I'm finna conquer my day, because the goal is to have a great day. So let me see where I'm at on my list. So I have start day with water. Boom, I've done that. I did my hygiene care, my oral care, face care. That's done. I've like breakfast, lunch, dinner. I decided that I'm not going to really put that on the list, because I feel like those are things I have to do to, you know what I'm saying, survive, eat. Like, you know, of course, if I don't eat, I'm gonna be hungry. So I just feel like those are regardless. Like, you know what I'm saying? I know I'm gonna make sure I eat, my kids eat, my family eat. Unless it's like a really big meal where I'm finna like, you know what I'm saying, go all out, and it can be time consuming, and I may want to film that for you guys and be detailed with it. Then I'll put like dinner prep or something like that. But other than that, like breakfast, lunch, I'm really not gonna put that on my list, because those are not really major things to accomplish for the day. Like I feel like I'm gonna do it regardless, whether it's something small. And breakfast didn't take long at all, so I don't have that on my list. Even though I did make breakfast, I don't really, you know what I'm saying, consider that as a major goal. Next is I need to speak my affirmations, you guys. So I'm going to take a moment to do that. And once again, I'm not going to read all of them. I'm just going to share with you all about 5 of them. And then I'm going to speak to the rest off camera. I'm trying to see if I can share with you guys some that I haven't shared to you before. I am a leader. I am true to myself. I am expressing gratitude each and every day. I am so in tune with myself and aware of who I am. I am healthy. That's 5. I'll share with y'all one more. I am not procrastinating on things that I have to get done. I live a life full of abundance, peace, and purpose. There you go. I say I got 60, so I'm finna go ahead and speak my 60. Just to speak that greatness within myself. Like I told you guys, like, man, when I speak my affirmations, you guys, I speak them with so much emotion and feeling. Like, I'm not just saying words that are just on paper that I wrote. No, I'm actually visualizing these things to already be true of myself. You know what I'm saying? And when I speak them, I there's so much feeling and emotion going on in my body, like, you know. And that's why I love speaking this every day. You know, I get so used to telling myself this and believing in this for myself. Like, I don't know, y'all. It's something to that. It's something to that. But like I say, speaking affirmations definitely works for me. And I just continue to do it and make it a part of my daily routine. Okay, guys, so I just left the gym. Yes, you guys, I put in my 1 hour. Ain't nothing like a nice workout. I done sweated out my edges a little. Next on the list, you guys, I'm going to head to Walmart, grab a few things, not a lot. Walmart was really my only errand for the day. The rest of the day, I'm really just finna be in the house cleaning up. Because when I say I need a real good cleaning, I need a real good cleaning, y'all. Stuff is everywhere. It's a mess. I definitely have to clean my house today. And I'm going to put up the Valentine's Day decorations. I'll see you guys once I get into Walmart. So cute, you guys. I feel like you. Hey guys, so we needed a fridge restock.
I see
Guys, okay, so I have to just take a minute to find my baby something to do. He's going crazy. He want to go over his granny house. So we're going to just open one of his toys and hopefully this makes him feel better, guys. He's probably bored and he's been a little whiny. So we're going to see what this do. Maybe this grabs his attention for a bit.
Wow.
Wow. You ready to play it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let mommy cut it on the TV. Where's the remote? Oh, I see it. Yes, you guys, his brother left until tomorrow. He went to his cousin's house, so for Han, he's probably kind of bored, you guys. So I'm gonna get him set up. So he can be entertained. It's just making me feel so bad. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna try to get this hooked up. Let's hopefully I can get it to work.
Yay.
Select a new profile and press the A button to play a game. Welcome to Leapland, a place filled with knowledge and adventure.
Hey guys, so I did have to find him some batteries. It did take batteries to AA, so I put them in there.
Explore the four
Got
different
them working
areas
for
of the
him.
kingdom to find the missing keys and pick up gems along the way for the festival. Select your character to play.
You want the blue one or the purple one, baby?
Blue.
Press A. You got the blue one.
Blue one.
Highlight an area on the map with the D-pad
Press the bottom.
and press the A.
A. What begins with the letter A?
Apple.
Pick a treasure chest to get a reward.
Press
You found 2 emeralds.
Yeah, when I say your girl is tired, I literally just got done watching all these dishes. Like, look at this. This was a lot. Bad that I let it build up like that, because that was my fault. Yes. Some disinfectant. Some, of course, you guys, I needed 2 things. I need some water. I just got a few stuff. This, you guys, I got some scissors and some fortune $1. It was $3, and I got 6. And so I'm gonna put everything up because today's the day. Okay? Vday stuff go up today. Hey, y'all, I don't know how to use this. So this shouldn't be that hard. That hard. So So I'm really upright. I'm not overdo it a little bit. Oh, okay, y'all. I like this. I like this, y'all. Let me show y'all. Just press this button. Mopping made easy. I'm loving this. Mopping made easy, yes. No more making a mop water just to mop. I just spray. Why you all like that? Why you talking like that? He say yes. Alright, so I've definitely done gotten more things since the vlog and I talked to you guys. I just got a little bit more decor. So today is definitely the day to put everything up. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with this garland. Put one here down here. And then put it up here. Pretty cool. This is cute. Probably this, I'm thinking about putting it right here. I just get the push pins because ain't nobody got time for all that nail stuff. I normally use the tacks, y'all, and call because all that needle stuff, nah, I'm putting this up and taking it down when I'm ready to take it down. And guys, so I told myself, you guys, that for every little special holiday, I want to, you know, get in the spirit and the mood and just spice it up around the house. Like decorate for my kids. You know, I am a mother of 2. And just decorate for my babies. I think I want to raise this a little higher, y'all. Get creative around the house and just make them feel special. So yeah, I'm trying, you know, just to decorate a little bit every little holiday. I think I actually want to put them in the hallway instead, especially since that's what I'm thinking. Y'all, that's what I'm thinking. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. So comment down below, guys, if that's something that you do. Like, you know, do you try to decorate every holiday for your kids? Like, I know, of course, probably Halloween, Christmas, we get creative around that time, but what about all the other holidays, moms or dads? Let me know what you guys do. Get this right here.